Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the difference between the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. While the Model 3 and Model Y share a lot of the same technology and design DNA, there are some key distinctions to consider. The most obvious difference is the body style. The Model 3 is a four-door sedan, while the Model Y is a compact SUV. This means the Model Y is taller and has a higher driving position, which many people find more comfortable. The difference in body style also leads to a huge difference in practicality. The Model Y has significantly more cargo space, thanks to its hatchback design. With the rear seats folded down, the Model Y offers over 3 times the cargo volume of the Model 3. It also has an optional third-row seating configuration, allowing it to carry up to 7 passengers, something the Model 3 cannot. In terms of performance and range, the Model 3 generally has a slight edge. Being a lighter and more aerodynamic sedan, the Model 3 typically offers better range and faster acceleration, especially in the performance versions. However, both cars provide impressive speed and range for their class. Finally, there's the price. The Model 3 is usually the more affordable option, with a lower starting price compared to the Model Y. The choice between the two ultimately comes down to your personal needs. If you prioritize a sportier feel, maximum efficiency, and a more budget-friendly price, the Model 3 is a great choice. But if you need more space, practicality, and a higher driving position, the Model Y is the clear winner. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.